Welcome back. It's art time, class. Today, I'm going to be showing you how to find Google Classroom on your iPad, access your class, find your assignment, and submit your work. Let's get started. So to start with your iPad, you can scroll over and you're looking for the icon that has the word Classroom underneath. When you click on that, you want to be able to look up at the very top left corner. You're going to see 3 lines. When you click on that, you'll see a menu come over and you're going to click on the classes, which has the house icon right next to it. And that's going to show you a list of your classes. Right away, you're going to see each class has all the assignments due that week listed underneath them. Once you click on the class border, you'll see all the different assignments that's been posted. The new assignments are going to show up here at the top. Let's go ahead and select one and turn in an assignment. This lesson says that it's drawing a landscape. Watch the video, learn how to submit your work. Take a picture of your drawing. So I click on the link here, and it's going to bring you to a YouTube video of how to do your artwork. Follow along with the video. When you're done, up at the top left corner, click the button Done. After that, you're going to slide this down here, slide this all the way up. You're going to see this right here. It says Add Attachment. Go ahead and click that. And there's a few options here. You can take a picture before you do this, or you can go ahead and click Use Camera. Take a picture. If you like your picture, down here at the bottom, press Use Photo. Or if you want to retake it, click this over here. I'm going to go ahead and use this photo. Now it's loading. All right, now that it's loaded, I can see that I can press this bar right here that says Turn In, and that's what's going to turn in the assignment in that attachment. Click Turn In. And it says right here, double check this, it says 1 attachment. So make sure that your attachment's there. You just have to look right here and it says that. So I click that button, turn in again, and I'm done. Until next time, guys, keep being creative.